Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of these cutesy little bookmarks for your book. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make one of these little bookmarks for your books. Alrighty. First, you're going to need a piece of paper. Doesn't matter, as long as it's a standard size sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, because you're only going to need to use a tiny portion of it. You're going to need some scissors, any kind of scissors. You're going to need some glue. I prefer glue sticks because they're not as messy, but it doesn't matter the brand. You're going to need an eraser and a pencil. You're going to need a ruler. And you're going to need all these little markers. Doesn't matter what color, what brand, what size, it doesn't matter. All right, so let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is you want to look at your ruler and you want to find the centimeters, the smaller portion. And you're going to want to measure out three squares that are going to be 7 by 7 centimeters long. All right, so let me get in here and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. This is the inches side, this is the centimeter side. So I'm going to flip my ruler over and I'm going to just set it here and I'm going to do a 7 right here. That is 7 centimeters. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is 7 centimeters. And then I'm going to mark 7 centimeters on this side as well of the corner. So let's see where 7 centimeters is going to be, right about there. So then I'm going to make this a box and then I'll make another box. So let's go ahead and draw. I don't know how straight I'm going to get these lines, but it doesn't matter. So let's do 7 and let's connect this one together and 7. That is a 7 by 7 centimeter box. Now I'm going to go ahead and do another box right here and another box right here. So let's go ahead and make another box and then do the same thing on this side, if you can see my lines, and then go ahead and make another box. And these are all 7 by 7 centimeters. So go ahead and do that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line from this point to this point, and then from this point to this point. So let's go ahead and try this. Now these lines don't have to be completely accurate, because you will see it's not going to be accurate at the end. It's going to look a little weird. Now you're going to have this little weird looking shape. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut this part out only. So you're not going to need this line and you're not going to need this line anymore. So you can either erase it. You can either erase it completely. That's what your eraser is for. You can either erase it or you can just go ahead and cut these lines. I'm going to go ahead and erase it. Alrighty, now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut this line, this line, this line, and this line. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and try and cut this. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this line. And then you're gonna have like this little fox looking shape with your paper. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut these 2 lines. Make sure that you're cutting on the line. All right, so now you're gonna have something that looks like this, a fox looking shape. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold, well first let's move this piece here. Now you're going to fold these 2 in so it makes a triangle shape. And then you're gonna fold this one over as well, the same. Then you're going to have a little pocket. Well, I like to open it up, and I'm going to take the 2 flaps, and this one I'm going to put back down. Make sure that they are where I want them, and then I'm going to, on only one flappy thing, I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to go ahead and glue this only on this flap. I'm only going to put glue on the flap. So I'm going to put a lot of glue because I want my bookmark to stay in place and I don't want it coming apart. Now you can also add things to this too when we're done. You can add googly eyes, you can bedazzle it, you can do anything you want. Now you see you have a bookmark. Now you can decorate it any way you want to. I did a smiley face on my other one. On this one, I'm actually gonna go ahead and just, play around with it and just put some decorations in. You can decorate it however you would like. And then when you are done, you can just grab your book after you're done reading a certain section, and you can go ahead and you just put it onto the edge of the book, and then you put it in, and then see, you will know where your place is at all times with this. There's my bookmark. And that way, when you do this, your bookmark does not fall out. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Please remember to thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you get all of my updates for all upcoming videos, and I will catch you in the next video.